Okay, as we head into week 4, I just want to remind everyone how crucial it is that you take your time reading the biographies of each author, doing some research regarding the time period surrounding modernism and imagism. It's also crucial that you submit a substantial post by Friday. Now, when I say substantive or substantial, I'm talking about at least 1 to 2 paragraphs in response to my initial question. Now, if we take a look and we go into the week itinerary, into week 4, and we take a look at the discussion board assignment, it has to do with William Carlos Williams' poem, The Red Wheelbarrow. All right, so one paragraph is going to respond to this question. Your second paragraph needs to address the other readings from this week. Now, those other readings include Frost's poetry, Anderson's texts, Sandburg's poetry, and Stevens' poetry. You need to discuss all of those texts and discuss how they are similar, how they represent the time period, any connections you see between this week and last week's readings, how they maybe represent the Roaring Twenties, and you also need to cite your evidence and you need to cite your textual examples. That is crucial. So if you don't discuss all of the texts and your discussion post is not substantial, you will not receive full credit. So you must discuss all of the readings, identify the readings, define imagism and how those poems actually define the time period, explore and explain modernism, and discuss how it applies to what we're talking about. And then analyze all of these poems. What is a theme that you might see that resonates through all of them? What do you make of the very succinct language? Take your time with this because remember, your discussion board post is taking the place of your classroom participation. So 3 or 4 sentences is not enough to fulfill the assignment. You'll also notice that I posted an announcement, really listing how to effectively respond to a peer's post. To receive full credit, you must respond to 2 peers. Now, not only do you have to respond to a peer, but that response needs to be thorough as well. It needs to be meaningful. It can't just say, I agree, or, wow, I never thought of that. So take a look of 10 ways in which you can really help to initiate discussion, facilitate our work during the week. If you have any other questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.